कोई गेले तिथे So this was another car which had gone into the trench, which has been dug up for smart city work. They have been left open, and as a result, many of the cars are going in like this. This is something. Patrav, ulete ek bike dita. So what happened exactly here? Can you tell me your name first?
I'm Nazim Aga.
Yeah.
There was a car which was, when you was entering, there was no blockade, and whereas you can see a big pothole is there, incompleted, that is. They left it like that. The vehicle entered inside, and there's no way for it to come out. Luckily, all the people gathered and they pushed it out. So there are such kind of things. There are plenty of other places also such holes have been left. You know, it is very dangerous. Good thing it happened now. If there was anybody, like if there are no people, he wouldn't have come out. And it was a powerful vehicle. So I just request the authorities not to leave such holes, potholes, unfilled. At least block this place now. Just now I blocked it with this. The traffic police.
The barricade.
The barricade wasn't there. I pulled it and kept it there. Anyway, but this is not a way to leave it,
Yeah.
So I request the authorities to take some action.
Mr. Aga, this has been happening everywhere in Panjim.
Many places.
So how are the Panjimites reacting to it? Are they
There is
talking
no
to
other. What can we do? We can suggest only. We cannot go and do it ourselves. It's for the elected representative and the municipal people to take action. Because just now I myself fell in the bike. There was a pothole there. We cannot be seen.
Yeah, there's the traffic jam.
Luckily I braked and I balanced it.
Yeah.
All over the city like that. But this is terrible. What is that? You should not leave such people. Imagine a bike falling inside if there is a family or anything. So I just request the Honorable CM and the elected representative to take care and don't let people suffer this way. Thank you very much.
Goinkar